Hey guys, if you are watching my video, so it means I can understand. You want to learn English, that's why you clicked my video. So you came here for the learning new things. So you came here because of your English speaking. So I will tell you, I will guide you how you can speak English. I did hard work, that's why I'm able to speak English in front of you. So there are so many things to do, but I'm going to tell you only few things. If you do, you can improve your English level. If you want to crazy about learning English, so follow these things. If you are beginner and if you are not beginner, no problem. You can speak English. You can speak English if you follow this step. The first step is that you have to increase your vocabulary. You must know how many vocabulary you should know. I can say that if you learn 500 vocabulary, so you can speak. You can speak, you can communicate to the people. If you want to improve your English like advanced English, so you have to increase your vocabulary. So no problem. If you want to communicate to the people easily, so you can do by 500 vocabs. What are the 500 vocabs? So I want to tell you one thing. Go and ChatGPT and set 500 vocabulary daily uses. So it give you. So you can learn. After it, you can easily speak English. And how I can do practice. So no problem. Just like this, same things. Record your video only 5 minutes. It can improve your English. And then there is 3 modes. What? The first, listen your voice without watching your video. And second is that watching your video without voice. And then you can think what is my problem, where I am doing mistake, and how can I improve my English level. Because I used to do that, so I am able to speak English in front of you, in front of anyone. So, and the third one is that do communicate to people. Don't be shy. If you are shy, so I can say that you can't speak English, but push yourself for speaking. If in front of you anyone, no problem. Speak some sentence, and then you can feel day by day you will improve your English level. And you have to include your English while Hindi speaking. But how? Something else. मैं जा रहा हूँ. I'm going. But पता नहीं मेरे पास पैसे नहीं हैं. Oh my God, I don't have money. So you have to include some sentence in your while Hindi. In your while speaking in Hindi. So if you do this, so maybe after 1 week you can. Firstly, you have to record your first day video. After that, after 7 days, if you watch your video again, then you can see what was my level and right now what is my level. So if you do this thing, so you can improve your English perfectly. So if is this useful for you, like and subscribe and comment.